Customizing settings for your dictation extension. The Premier Dictation extension for Google can be customized for individual readers. Click the Settings button and select the reading settings. From here, it's possible to change your voice and dictation settings options. When you change the dictation settings, typically you'll be using English as the language. For dialect, you can select one of 6 options. For example, if you choose Canada, dictation will recognize the proper spelling of the words in the Canadian dialect. Those word spellings can be different for selected words versus the US spelling of those same words, even though the words are pronounced the same. When you change the voice settings to use a different voice or change the voice rate, be sure to click Test Voice to hear how it will sound. Continue to adjust your settings to meet your individual preferences. After you are satisfied with any changes you have made, be sure to click the appropriate Save button to save your settings. Otherwise, when you close the settings box and the previous selection will be still used. If you decide not to save any of the changes you've made, simply close the settings box. Making changes to your settings refreshes the dictation preview screen, and any text that has been entered will be cleared. Please note that the digital voices used with the text-to-speech options within your literacy tools may vary depending upon the type of device which you are working. Chromebooks, for example, should have the default voice set to a Chrome voice, while PC users with a Chrome browser should have the default voice set to the native voice. If you are working on more than one type of device, it may be necessary to set the default voice each time you change the device on which you are working.